Hey guys, back to another video. Today we're going to be vacuuming the mattress in my guest room. This is freaking old mattress. I think it has arthritis, it's so stiff. Anyways, so we're going to use our Heritage today. Haven't used it in a while, haven't made a video about it. I don't think I've ever made a video specifically for it. Come to think of it, don't want to mess up my fan. It might turn on when I plug it in, so brace yourself. It might explode. Okay, nope, we're fine. So the way you do this is, I've learned another thing. Lean the handle back when you take the bag off. It'll be much easier. It's not working against you, and it'll pop off. Also put Vaseline in there if you want it to open easily, but still have a good seal. So I put Vaseline around in there. I'm gonna wrap this with some electrical tape. It's not fraying, but I don't want it to, so might as well start saving it while I can. Let me sit you guys down so I can take this out. Okay. Alright, pop that out, and then pull this out, and your handle comes off. Now we have a little handheld, little baby handheld. The little handle. I have a lot of the attachments for this thing. I gotta make a series. And I have dirt meter, and we'll pop the dirt meter on. This is a lot harder to get on than people think it is, so I'm gonna sit you down again. There we go. Alright, it was easy that time. So there's that. Now, we'll take the front off. It's a bit harder when you're on a mattress. Why is it so stiff? And turn the belt on. I'm sorry guys, I need to oil that switch thing. I haven't used this in a while. It's just been sitting in my room, so everything's a bit stiff. Alright, so there we go. Ew. It sounds horrible. I don't know what that noise is. Ugh. It's never sounded like that before. I gotta get the bearings on this thing checked out. That sounds absolutely horrible, and like it's gonna get worse. I'ma unplug it. Again, I'm gonna put some electrical tape on there because you can see how bent it is. It's gonna start wearing out. So might as well stop it before it happens. Ew, that's a lot of dirt that I've been making people sleep on. That's absolutely disgusting. That's all the stuff I took off the bed. Ew. Good job, Kirby. That's it. Hope you guys like this short little video, and go do this to your mattresses now. Usually I would use that hand vac over there, but you know, ew, whatever.